start by removing this side panel here on the passenger side area. You may need to remove a little bit of the weather stripping here to pull it out. Next, pull down the glove box, and there's a trim piece to the right of it. It's a pretty thin piece, so make sure you grab with both hands and even pressure to pull it out. This piece was pretty hard to remove, so just take your time, use your hands. Pull from the centerpiece first to get a good grip on it, and just work your way around. You may need to use a non-marring plastic panel removal tool to kind of help pry it from certain places, like this one. I'll leave a link in the description area below to purchase one from Amazon. So just make your way around, take your time. This one piece took me about 3 minutes or 4 minutes overall, so don't rush it. It just takes a little while. All right, next pull this little rubber piece out, and there's two 7mm bolts here. Go ahead and remove those. Use your ratchet or your drill gun to make short work of it. Okay, so these side panels here are just pressure fitted clips. Go ahead and pull them out. Do that to both sides. There's also a little magnet piece there. It kind of helps it hold in place. Remove two 7mm bolts, and then do the same exact thing for the other side. Okay, so next we're going to remove this little silver trim piece here. Just pull up on it from the top right there and make your way backwards to the bottom of it. It's a pretty thin piece, so take your time with this one. And then go ahead and pull the piece underneath it off, up and out. So this part is really hard to remove. You're going to have to use your plastic panel removal tool to separate it from the bottom piece there. It was very difficult. I tried with my hands, I could not get it, so I had to use my panel removal tool. I tried my hands first because it's the softest tool you can use, and then I used the next step, which is that panel removal tool. So go ahead and pull this panel back just a little bit in order to get this little piece out, and then use like a hook tool and remove this little center piece underneath the stereo. So now there's going to be 4 7mm bolts here. Just go ahead and remove all 4 of those. Remember to like this video if it's helpful for you, okay? So this panel is very thin. Be very careful with it, and once again, use your panel removal tool here in the beefier section, and it should pop the clips right out. I would advise you put like a towel down, a really thick blanket. That way you can rest everything on there without it having the chance of scratching something. So to pull these plugs out, press the Molex plug tab down. This little connector right here, there's a tab on the bottom you got to press. It's kind of hard to see, man, but just press that down from below and then pull straight out. So once again, you have some more 7mm bolts to remove the screen here. remove 4 more 7mm bolts. And to get this stereo out, it's kind of a short wire harness behind it, so you have to pull it out and then reach from behind and disconnect the MOS plugs to remove it, okay? Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch my other videos on this vehicle, how to remove the speakers.